So the Reggae Boyz are now in Austria for 2 friendly internationals en route to the CONCACAF Gold Cup, with some players set to join the team at the Gold Cup. And importantly, this will be the first sustained high-profile acid test for Coach Heimir Halgrimsson. From all indications, Coach Halgrimsson remains consistent with his philosophy of seeking out the best eligible players to represent Jamaica. And when we look at the potential of this Jamaica team, player for player, coupled with the fact that the top 4 teams in the region, USA, Mexico, Canada, and Panama, will all be forced to play weakened teams at the Gold Cup. All things considered, Jamaica should be actual contenders for this Gold Cup title. Someone needs to tell Coach Halgrimsson that Jamaica made it to 2 Gold Cup finals and 2 semifinals. So with this big team, with these big players, and with this big coach, you know what that means? Winnings we are Pree. You understand what that means, coach? Winnings we are Pree. Yeah, winning.